Hello everyone, yeah, welcome to Omodebo Maths class, and today we'll be solving questions under equation with fraction. Now, how to solve any question related to this topic, equation with fractions. So there are things you need to do. Now, take note, before you solve any question under equation with fraction, always clear the fraction before beginning to solve an equation. That's the very first thing you need to do. Always clear up the fraction so to make your work easy. Now to do that, to clear the fraction, multiply each of the 10. What are the 10? The 10 are this: 9 over 4x minus 5 over x plus 11 over 3 equals to 0. So to clear the fraction, multiply each 10 in the equation by the LCM of the denominators of the fraction. All these are the denominators, so we need to look for the LCM of it. So how to look for the LCM? Our normal traditional way of looking for LCM: 4x, x, then 3 times 2 times 3 times x. Now 2 times 2 times 3 times x, we're going to have 12x. So that's going to be our first answer. That's just the start. That's 12x. 12x. Let me write it now so it will be big. 12x. So 12x. So the 12x is the LCM of the denominator of 4x, x, and 3. If you go through this step, so the LCM is 12x. Now let's go to the second stage, which says we're going to multiply each of the 10s with this 12. So it's going to be 12x times 9 over 4x minus 12x times 5x plus 12x times 11 over 3, 0 times 12x. So what we are actually doing here now, we are using the LCM of this denominator, which is 12x, to multiply all the terms. Remember, the terms are 9 over 12, then times minus 12, 5 over 12, then 11 over 3. So all these are the terms. Then the last one, which is 0. So let's continue. So 4x into this place, we have 3 times 9. X into this place, we have x will cancel x, then 12 times 5 is 60. Now 12 divided by 3, you have 4x times 11. And when you multiply 12x with 0, definitely our answer will become a 0. So 0. So 23 times 9 is 27. 60. 4x times 11 44x equals to 0. So 27 minus 60, we have minus 33 plus 44x equals to 0. Now whenever you transfer negative, you transfer it over the equal sign, it becomes positive. So this one becomes 44x is equal to 0 plus 33. So we have 44x now equals to 33. We are getting close to the answer now. So remember, we are looking for what? X. So we're going to divide both sides by what? 44. And you know that 11 into this, 11 into this is what? 3. 11 into this is what? 4. So 11 into this, so we have 3 over 4. Now, to solve this equation, 9 over 4x minus 5 over x plus 11 over 3 equals to 0. The final answer will be x is equals to 3 over 4. So that is the final answer. Thank you for watching my class. Until we see